Hi, I'm Robin Chant, and I'm inviting you to an online course that I have now on my website, artofchoosingyou.com. It's called Insights to Your Body's Imbalances, or I also like to call it What Your Aches and Pains Are Saying to You. Your body is a reflection of what is not being processed or being processed in your mind. So, for an example, if you're waking up between 1 and 3 a.m., that's actually your liver meridian, and your liver, that's when it's working and processing stuff. And if you're doing too much planning and organizing in your life, like you're just overwhelmed, you actually will wake up between that time. So there's information of what that means, how you can resolve that issue. And also 1 to 3 is liver. It also could be a little bit too much frustration in your life or anger. And so that also could wake you up in the middle of the night. So I invite you to look up Insights to Your Body's Imbalance on my website, artofchoosingyou.com. It's full of so many tools to look at health in a whole new way. Like, did you know when you have an emotion, your body makes a chemical messenger, a chemical neuropeptide. And if that emotion doesn't get expressed, that neuropeptide goes to different parts of the body and then causes havoc in that body. So, I invite you to purchase the Insights to Your Body Imbalances on the Art of Choosing You website. Thank you.